If Discord is not launching when your Windows computer starts, don't worry. This is usually a quick settings fix. In this video, I'll show you how to make Discord open automatically on startup, so you can get into your servers and messages right after your PC turns on. This is a simple fix that works for most Windows users, and it only takes a minute or two to set up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and easy how-to guides. Now let's jump in. First, open Discord on your Windows PC. You can launch it from the desktop shortcut, the Start menu, or the taskbar if it's already pinned there. If Discord is installed correctly, the app should open normally. Once Discord is open, look down near your username in the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. Click that gear icon to open User Settings. Inside User Settings, you'll see a long menu on the left side with different options for your account, privacy, appearance, and app settings. Scroll down through that menu until you find Windows Settings. Click Windows Settings to open the startup options for Discord on your computer. Now look for the setting that says Automatically Open Discord when your computer starts up. This is the option that controls whether Discord launches automatically every time you start Windows. If it is turned off, Discord will not start with your computer, which is likely why you're having this problem. Click the toggle to turn it on. Once that option is enabled, Discord should now launch automatically whenever your Windows computer boots up. In some cases, you may want to fully close Discord and restart your computer to test it. That way, you can confirm that the setting was saved correctly and that Discord opens on startup the way it should. If it still doesn't appear right away, make sure Discord isn't being blocked by startup app settings in Windows itself, and check that you're signed in to the correct account. And that's it. You fix Discord not launching on Windows Startup by enabling the automatic startup option inside Discord settings. This is one of the easiest ways to make sure you stay connected from the moment your PC turns on. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.